This is a used Nagel Multinak S heavy duty pad stapler. It's in very good condition. Comes with full toolkit and instruction manual. The machine has been cleaned, serviced and tested. This heavy duty pad stapler can do up to approximately a thick 15mm thick pad. You can either do standard padding with the bed flat or drop the bed down to do saddle stapling. Lots of staples can be held in the staple drawer pusher, so less downtime for production. Simple on and off. Slide your work under and hit the foot pit. Nice flat clench staple. The heads on this machine are adjustable, so you don't get marking around your work. And simply just continue stapling.